For item J01, wait, no more. We'll just lay on the table the regular item. So let's just proceed with the other matters. For item J01 is a letter from Chameleon Association Incorporated requesting the change of its official signatory due to the appointment of a new executive director from Ms. Cornelia Udani to Eileen Santiago. For this item, I request that Councilor Francis Luis Parcon be read.
Councilor Parcon, you have the floor.
Thank you, Madam Chair, Majority Floor Leader. As you can remember, I think it was 2 sessions ago that we authorized the signing of the city mayor of the memorandum of agreement. Actually, it was part of the committee report that there will be a change in the signatory from Cornelia Udani to Ms. Eileen Santiago. Hence, the said request. So, Madam Chair, it was actually part of the committee report na mailisted man sa signatory considering that Committee Incorporated, they have a new executive director. So if there are no objections from the members of this August body, Madam Chair, considering change in signatory, man lang ang gina-request, and it was already part of a committee hearing and a committee report. If there are no objection from the members of this August body, Madam Chair, I move to pass a resolution authorizing the city mayor to sign the amended memorandum of agreement between the Iloilo City Government and Chameleon Association Incorporated. So moved.
It has been moved and seconded. Here are no objections. Motion is carried.
Thank you, Madam Chair.